What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, it's Sunday night, which means it's almost time for us to get back in our bag and do what we do. If you're ready to make some money this week, make sure you guys let me know down in the comments below. But on top of that, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure to like, subscribe. Hope this video get at least 1,000 likes. Now, check it out, because I got to dive right into this, okay? For this week, I need you to hone in on whatever your winning plays has been the last 2 to 3 weeks. I need you to move them to the forefront, because listen to this. Number one, be in the Discord first thing in the morning, guys. Number one, okay? Everybody else consider joining the money team. But what I need for us to do this week, guys, is any play that you have had recent success with, I need you to go over, review for me, what was it that led you to victory? What was it that led to your success? Okay, I need you to be very keenly aware of what those things are, because guess what? We're going to do more of it this week. So if you have identified your one stock, if you have identified your horse, please bring it to the front of the congregation for us, because this particular week, I want to teach and show you guys the power of honing in and locking in, okay? We got to lock in this week. Matter of fact, in the comments below, make sure you put locked in. We locking in because sometimes I'm seeing a lot of people having a lot of success. And InvestFest, for example, I met a lot of you guys this weekend, and so I seen it firsthand. I heard it firsthand. But one thing I don't want you to do is to jump around and chase success. No, guys, that ain't what you want to do. Listen to this, man. When you can find you one or two plays and you learn the patterns, the behaviors, and the fluctuation of those one or two plays, listen to this. It expedites the process of you getting off the corporate plantation. It expedites the process of you getting off the corporate plantation, because now you can pick up on tendencies. Now you can pick up on patterns. Now you can pick up on those little nuances that in this game that we play, it's the small things that leads to big victories. I often talk about the importance of falling in love with the base hit. This week, guess what? We back on our dean. We are back on our dean, and guess what? The base hit will be at the forefront. We will be focusing on the base hit this week. Why, coach? Because the base hits allows the home run to come. We're not chasing home runs. I want you guys to master the skill of what I'm going to teach you, okay? I want you guys to master the skill of using the chart. I want you to master the skill of proper risk management. And when you do those things, you're going to quickly see all the fancy stuff, all the bells and whistles. None of that means nothing. You need to stick to what works. You need to keep the game simple. So listen, guys, this particular week, put this on your radar. The SPY, the S&P 500, okay? I want you guys to look at that on the 1 day time frame. I want you guys to put the triple Qs, the QQQ. We call it the Qs, okay? Put the triple Qs on your radar for this week. We will be examining and studying them like a hawk, because a lot of times those indices give us all the context clues we need for the type of decisions, investments, and trades we need to be making, okay? Put those two on the top of the list. But then listen to this. Right underneath that, I need you, this is where you come into play in pulling out that 1 to 2 stocks that you have had the most success with in the past 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, go back through, look at your wins, look at your losses, look at your P&L, so that you know, man, you know what? I won with this. I don't know why I went away from it and started trading over here. Man, I won with this. I don't know why I started jumping in this over here. Nope, go get that. And if you're already in it, lock in. That's our word for the day. We lock in, okay? So listen to this, guys. What we need to make sure going into this week is that we watch out for any rug pulls, any fake out breakouts. Write these 2 words down. Rug pull, okay? A rug pull is market could be going in one direction, and then on the drop of a dime, it just changes course just like that. Boom. Pull the rug from under you. Okay. On top of watching out for a rug pull, write this down. Fake out breakout. A fake out breakout is when a stock runs up and tests a level and then act like it's finna go, and then boom, it gets yanked back down, and then it starts a downtrend the rest of the day. Those are two things I want you to look for as early as Monday. Of course, I'll walk you guys through it so that you kind of know what to look for. Meaning, I'll tell you the levels. Hey, the S&P 500, Tesla, NVDA, and whatever stock y'all want, it'll run to this level this week, guys, and then it's going to, boom, hit it and then start coming down. Okay, I don't want you to fall for the fake out breakout. But then you need to know when we are having a breakout, you need to know how far we're running to so that you don't overstay your welcome. Because some stuff turned into a fake out breakout because you guys are not locking in profit and not and overstaying your welcome. We don't want to do that, okay? So fake out breakout and rug pull will be our two words of the week, okay? Focus on those two things. Be on the lookout for those two things. If you can sidestep them and avoid them, boom, watch how flawless your week go. Sometimes it be those little nuances, those little things that might cause your loss, that might cause the downtrend or cause a domino effect in your trading. But if you can withstand that, if you can bypass it, if you can sidestep that, boom, all of a sudden you got 4 for 4 on a week, you 3 for 3 on a week, you 5 for 5 on a week. So we're going to be locked in on that heavy this upcoming trading week, okay? Listen, man, we got all the stuff behind us now. But guess what? The last thing that's left is NVDA earnings. We have NVDA earnings, okay? And so I believe, but you never know, but I believe we're going to continue to run up into earnings, if nothing else. So you got some money you can make off riding our baby to the upside, okay? However, on any pullback, please, especially if it comes to certain levels, look at that and deem that as a buying opportunity, okay? Because guess what? Into the year end, no matter what it do, we're going to rally into the year end, okay? So after the election, November, end of December, January, that first week, okay? So again, run up now, temporary pullback in September, run up to close out the year. Let me know if that makes sense, because I don't want this to catch you off guard. I don't want you to be chasing or buying high or having a fear of missing out, and then you mess up a whole play. NVIDIA is the last major big company with earnings that has to be reported. Guess what? They're going to crush it like they always do. So we already got that in the bag. But I'm preparing you for what's to come. And I want you to take advantage. I want you to be like this. I want you to be anticipating. I want you to be excited about what's to come, because it's not a bad thing. If I say something like NVIDIA may temporarily crash or pull back, it's not a negative. It's a, man, coach is sending out the signal for us to buy the dip. He's trying to get us to understand it's time to buy the dip. What the real investors, us 1%ers, us people that has used investing to build, all we have done, guys, is bought the dip and bought as much as we can get of it before it ran back up. NVIDIA is going to be one of those ones, okay? And so other ones should be on your radar, guys. It's Meta, AVGO, okay, Amazon, and Google. Put those on your list as well, okay? But right now, NVIDIA has a spotlight because NVIDIA reports next in terms of earnings, okay? So be on the lookout for that, expect that, and then let's make some money with that, okay? But with that being said, you're going to have high premiums. You're going to have high implied volatility because of that. So you might have to find a play lateral to that you want to go with in terms of your trades, because it might be costly. They might be taxing too much going into earnings week, okay? So keep that in mind. But listen, guys, I won't hold you up. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.